Hey you guys, so this is how I got my look with my perm rods, and it's just gonna be a real short, simple tutorial about how you do your hair naturally if you need somewhere to go, or just a simple, quick hairstyle so you don't put your hair in a ponytail all the time, or if you just coming from under a protector style, you can use this. It's so friendly and everything. So it's the final look. All right, so if you guys like it, just stay tuned, okay? All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm about to just cut one of curly natural look with flexi rods. If I'm talking too much, because my baby is finally asleep and I get to record a video. So I'm doing this because I ran out of ideas to do my hair. I had got some bundles for a girl at my job. She sold bundles, and I had cleaned them, so I'm waiting on them to dry. In the meantime, in between time, I still have to go to work. Not work, but I still have to go to church. So I need a little simple hairstyle that I can do. And once that's done, I can just put my hair in. But I can't go to God's house looking any other kind of way. So, and I think I'm gonna just like free part because I'm working with a limited amount of space. Well, not space, but I'm working with a limited amount of rods, and I'm just calling each section like that. But yeah, I said, oh, I'll just do my hair in a natural way. That way, I ain't putting too much product in there, so when it comes to keep my bundle in for a little while, it don't get all itchy and sticky. So what I'm adding to my hair is the Creme Nature Argan or Day and Night hair and scalp conditioner. So it'll be perfect. So when I do go and braid, it be all soft and stuff. I'm using this side. I forgot what size of perm rod this is. So you just take it at the base and just twist it, twist it, twist it. And when you come to the end, you'll just clip it. And that's pretty much all you do all over your head. So now that you see me do this one, I'm gonna just go ahead and get to the middle of my head because I'm gonna change curls patterns. So I'm gonna go with the really small ones in the front because I like the little crinkly look. I think it'd be pretty to give my hair some little definition. So I will see you halfway through. Okay, so I did half my head. So now I'm just gonna add these little smaller so the curl will get a little tighter. Hopefully in the morning it'll look right. I just take it out and do like medium first and see if it'll look right. Hopefully I got enough. Got these to work with. All this hair. since these little, I'm gonna just twist my hair. This. Do it like this so you can see. Girl at the root. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished with my hair. So twist it. So I should get it twisted. And now I got mine going to the side. You can just get your scarf or bonnet, whichever one you prefer. Okay, guys, that is that. So, when tomorrow morning comes, I'm gonna take my scarf off, show you the finished look of my natural style. Guys, so it's the next morning, and this is how it look. So I'm just gonna take it out and show you how I style it. So I'm gonna make sure you have your edge control, and make sure you have some type of like olive oil, or I'm gonna use my grease so you don't stray your curls when you take it out. So I'm gonna show y'all how to take it out, and then I'm gonna fast forward it. So you get your stuff all oily, and you go exactly how you put it in. So just like that. Alright, and this is how it should look. Alright, so now that you know how to do it, I'm gonna just fast forward the video and let me know how you like it when I come back. Like it as much as I do. What I did was I just took my wide tooth comb and went over it like this just to give it some height. I didn't put nothing in it other than the grease I used to take it out to make it not look so frizzy, and I used my edge control. I just did a simple natural look, nothing too serious. Alright, so that concludes the video. So if you guys can like, comment, subscribe to my channel, just reconnect with me on all my social media: Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. You can DM me, messenger me, or send me a message about what videos you want to see, or what videos is trending now, and I'll take that in consideration. Um, Till then, thank you. Bye.